Namaste, welcome to Handmade. My name is Sunny, and for my today's project, I made an architecture structure out of wire mesh. So let's create. I began by sketching and finalizing dimensions of this project. Next, I took wire mesh, wire cutters, and protective gloves for this step. The few components of this structure that I'm going to cut out of wire mesh are a square base with little elevation, 4 elevated corners on the base, 4 cylinder pillars, a header on the pillars, then elevated slab, and on top a dome. I began the tedious part of folding all the wire ends inwards to make a smoothish edge on all cutouts. Now, after many cuts and scratches, I have all the parts ready. Next, it's time to assemble them. This part was fun. I got to see this being formed, and I decided not to add anything else to it. To me, it looks beautiful this way. But if you would like and making this project, one can obviously add embellishments to this bare mesh structure. Now here is my today's project all done. If you want to, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get notified for my future projects. And I'm on Instagram as well at CreativeHeadHM. See you next time. Do take care. Love and light. Bye.